Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you my bot. Enter the accounts manually or load them from a text file. It's that easy. After that, open the account settings. Tap to configure the settings. Here, you can see the account's current map. By this way, you can put the hunt zone for the account. Now, let's configure the settings. After that, enable the hunt toggle and watch the bot in action.